So, hello everyone, we got a new package, and this is Insta360 Go 3S, the tiny mighty action cam which supports now 4K. So, this is the standard edition having 64 GB of storage, and the color is Arctic white as you can see. So, on the left hand side, we have some specification, not specification features: lightweight and portable, 4K video, hands-free mode, then the magnetic mounting system, and we can mount it anywhere. On the right again we have few more details here, like it supports flow state stabilization and horizontal lock. Then we have a 2.2 flip touchscreen, which is same in Instago 3s, sorry 3. Then remote control using the action pod, and then we have now waterproof up to 10 meter, that is 33 feet. And then the Insta360 latest app, which is 2.0, which supports AI powered editing. So on the back, we have a few steps like how we can mount it on three different ways. And then in the box, we get Insta360 Go 3S, action pod, charging cable, lens guard, magnetic pendant, ear clip, easy clip, pivot stand, quick start, and the warranty card. And this is the serial number for the Go 3S and the action part. Okay, and yeah, few more details about this, and it works with Apple Find My. Here also a few details are there. I don't think so. We'll go through it. It's not at all required. Okay, so just open this up, and this I think has the USB cable. Let's let's open. It is Type N, Type C, not Type C to Type C. Think in 2024, 2025 they should give this now, but I think it's fine. The length is also adequate, so I don't think so. We have anything here. Let's turn to the other side. We'll have some quick start guide, warranty card, then some Insta360 stickers, and then waterproofing and the safety guidelines. Keep it there and move this. Let's turn it on, and you can see there are instructions how to turn it on, and the remote control and others. It's in English and Chinese. Put it aside. And this is how our camera looks. So basically, you have to press this as step 1, and then step 2 is pull this. So this is how our Insta360 Go 3S looks. We just remove this, and we have metal feel here, and then these pogo type connectors, and then we can attach here and here. Both sides of things we have grooves, and this is the lens, and it has a lens protector installed, and we have a mic here. I think it has one mic, two, three mics on all the sides except for the back, and this actually is a button as well. So let's see. Yeah, so if you see, this gets turned on and started recording as well. Okay, I'll just put it aside, and this is the action part. So here we have clips to attach the different mounting points. Then we have a recording button at the top, and then we have the pogo connectors here, and then connectors as well, which actually works Like when we press, this goes inside so that the uh, Go 3S can be removed easily. And then we have a power button and a quick menu button here. And we have the screen here, which can be opened like this. Till this, we can do this. Yeah, and go this and turn it on. I have not removed the plastic yet, but these are some of the options. And then we have different modes here for video, free frame, time lapse, time shift, slow motion, loop recording, star lapse, turbo photo, HDR photo, photo, and then video. And these can be configured using our uh, quick menu button. So yeah, but yeah, it's currently being recording at 4K 60. So just hit record. You can see it's getting recorded here as well. Take this off, and it continues recording, and it will show as well. So yeah, that's it for the product. Then we have this mount. This is for this clamp, and this is basically can be rotated anywhere, and just need to be screwed like this. And we can actually we have kind of designated which side should be there, so we can just connect it here. And if you want to release, you can just press this and take it, and it's magnetic, as you can see. And that can be connected via the action pod also, like this. And we place the surface like this for any work, and then maybe can be recorded like this. Okay, so yeah, good accessories. Then we have the lanyard. So this is basically if you want to. So yeah, we had some issue and we restarted. So this is the magnetic lanyard that you can wear on your neck, and this will be there in front of your chest. So you can just put it like this and record in 16 to 9 for your YouTube videos, or you can just turn it around and it will record 9 to 16 for your content on Instagram. So that's good that it allows us to rotate between the pose. Yeah, this is the magnetic lanyard, and then we have, I think, some mounts. These are, I think, good quality, same as GoPros, but think no. But I'm not convinced with the quality that I'm seeing here. We'll see. I have a GoPro, so I'll use it and check if this is something good. And then we have this. This is also magnetic, as you can see, and this is basically we can use it on your cap to get a POV from the head, and then we have option like just attach it here and then make it like this. And then the other thing we have is the app. If we try to connect, right, we'll see that it's already connected. It's good that we can connect and like have kind of three different uh, controls right here, there. But I think for some reason it's saying touchscreen and preview turn off to save power, but I think I'm good with this. So bring it back to where it needs to be. then this is all the accessories and stuff that we get with the GoPro. Sorry, Insta360 Go 3S. Sorry, I'm obsessed with my GoPro. So, yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments. Thank you.